I created a Faceless YouTube channel video and it ended up getting millions of views and making thousands of dollars. But here's the crazy part. I didn't show my face, I didn't hire anyone, and I didn't even use a bunch of complicated tools. I followed a simple system I've now repeated multiple times, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step using AI. So make sure you stick around because the part where we actually create the video is probably the easiest part, and most people completely overcomplicate it. Hi guys, it's Chet here from websitewizard.tv. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and comment I subscribe and I'll reply to each and every one of you. Let's dive straight in. Step 1. Choose a winning niche. So first you want to pick a niche. When I started, I was posting random videos and basically getting no views. Then I realized something that changed everything. You don't need a unique niche, you need a proven one. Let me show you what I mean. So this channel started just a few months back and it's already pulling in millions of views, 57 million, 39 million. And if you actually take a look, it's actually pulled in 187 million views from only 38 videos. So this is exactly what we're looking for. And in a second, I'll show you how to find popular videos in this niche in just a couple of minutes using the boomerang method. Then later on in the video, we're going to look at how to create videos like this quickly and easily using AI in one convenient platform. Then I'm going to post the video we create to show you the results. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Step 2, find trending content using the boomerang method. So you want to open up YouTube in an incognito browser and then you want to search any viral niche. I'm going to stick with the same one we've been looking at here. So what you want to do is you want to just start watching a couple of these videos and then you want to come back to the feeds and refresh the page and it's going to start automatically showing you viral and trending videos in this niche. So in this method, what we give to the algorithm, it gives back, just like a boomerang. So this video, for example, it was created just a couple of months ago and it already has 40 million views. So these are the types of videos we want to recreate using AI. And most people don't do this and that's why they stay stuck with limited views. Step 3, generate your prompts. Now I've actually put everything you need, all the prompts and the tools in a free guide below, so be sure to check that out. In my free guide there's also a link to my free community, so be sure to join that as well. So now we need to create our videos. Let's get AI to do it for us because let's be honest, we were choosing the lazy option here. So inside ChatGPT, you want to paste this in here along with the competitor's URL, and that's going to generate a bunch of prompts for us to use that will give us something very similar to the viral video that's already trending. Now this is where things get really interesting because this next step is where most people get stuck. Step 4, recreating the content. Now the hardest part is actually creating the content. This is where people start using 5 different tools, one for images, one for voiceovers, one for animation, and everything just gets super messy. But instead I'm going to do everything in one tool. And that just so happens to be the sponsor of this video. So we're over on Dezine AI and I'll leave a link to that in the video description. So before we jump into creating our video, I want to show you some really cool things you can do here. So if you go over to the AI image tab, you can see here we've got a number of different models here. We've got Grok, we've got Seedream, we've got ChatGPT and Nano Banana. So the cool thing with this platform is you don't need to pay for any of these separately anymore. So instead of juggling a number of different tools, you can use this one tool for everything. One subscription, one platform that does everything. And another cool thing we can do here is we can create a UGC style influencer. So to do that, go over to the AI image tab, select Nano Banana. I'm going to paste in this prompt here I got from ChatGPT. Again, you'll find all of these in a free guide, then click generate. And it's quickly created our image for us. And you can see this is super realistic. Now this is the part where it gets crazy. Instead of just an image, we can turn this into a full talking head video. Let me show you that right now. So go over to the lip sync feature here. Then you want to pick a face here. We can select the image we just created. Then you can select the face manually here. And click next and next again. Now I want to pick a voice here. So you can use text to speech here. You can choose from a number of different voices here. Or you can create and clone a voice, potentially your own. Or you can upload an audio file here. I already created one earlier, so I'm going to upload that here. And then you want to click generate. So this will take a few minutes, sometimes longer, but once it's done, you can click to preview that.
Okay, why is no one talking about this? I was a little skeptical at first about this product, but I tried it anyway. And it actually works. I've been using it nonstop the past few days. I don't usually say this, but it's actually worth it.
If you're curious, just try it. And don't blame me if you get obsessed.
Also, on a quick side note, click like and subscribe on this video, or I'll come after you.
Okay, so as you can see, the lip sync features are really good here. It's actually really good. So we just went from a simple prompts to a talking head video very quickly in one platform. So this is one of the great things about this. So you can literally create UGC style content like this without ever showing your face, and people are making money doing this. You can create ads, you can create TikToks, you can create YouTube videos and more. Okay, now let's recreate that viral video we found. So let's head on over to the AI video tab. So click whatever model you want here. I'm going to select Dance 2.0. I'm going to paste in my prompt again, find that in the free guide. Then on this one here, I'm going to make this 15 seconds. So drag that over and then click generate. So this is going to take a few minutes to do this. Sometimes it can take a little longer, so you're just going to wait for that. So as you can see, here's the video we created. This is really good, and it's actually very similar to the original. So as you can see, we didn't copy someone's work, we modeled success and created something similar. Now, if you want to make this video longer than 15 seconds, all you need to do is click on extract frame here. That's then going to take the image from the last part of the video. You click add to canvas, and then you want to expand this so it covers the area here. Then in this part, you want to make sure you've got AI video tab selected. You want to paste in your prompt here. Again, you can get this from the free guide. Then you want to click reference here. You want to make sure Dance 2.0 selected again. And then on this one, you want to click that and you want to click make sure it's 15 seconds. Once you've done that, click generate. So doing it this way, we can actually create multiple parts of video and then we can combine them later. Step 5, video editing. Now at this stage, we're ready to upload our video, but if you did want to make it longer and you've generated multiple parts of a video, then you can use free software like CapCut or Microsoft Clipchamp. And Microsoft Clipchamp in particular has a free auto captions feature, which is really cool. And I'll just quickly show you that now. So if you create a new video here, then import your video files here. So if you've got multiple videos, you want to drag them here and then just put them next to each other. Then if you want to use the auto captions feature, you just click on captions here and click try now and then transcribe media. So once that's done, you can click play here.
Okay, why is no one talking about this?
So as you can see, it just helps make the video more engaging. Now step 6, creating our thumbnail and title. Now this final step, this is the one that decides if your video is going to get views or not. Because if no one clicks, nothing else really matters. Don't overcomplicate it, just look at what's already out there and working and model it. So as you can see, 19 minutes after posting this video, it already has 325 views. And 4 hours later, it has 1k views. And if you extrapolate that over a year, that's 2.2 million views a year. But it doesn't really matter. We're not focusing on one video. We're going to keep churning out more and more videos until eventually some blow up. Now, this isn't something that works overnight, but if you follow this system consistently, you can build a faceless channel that actually gets views and makes money. And again, everything you need is in a free guide below. So if you're serious about creating a faceless YouTube channel, go check it out. So give this a go and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Smash like if you found the video helpful, drop a comment below if you have a question, and subscribe if you want more videos like this.